I'm trying hard to figure out just what this feeling's all about. Rush of blood like a wave crashing when I'm holding you close to me.
I want you to stay, I won't let you go. I just can't make it on my own. Take me away, some other place where we don't have to be alone. In your heart I'm home.